Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to combine multiple Excel files into one single spreadsheet using EasyMorph. Have you ever had a bunch of Excel files that you needed to combine into one? Maybe monthly reports, weekly data dumps, or files from different departments. Copying and pasting them one by one takes forever, and you are bound to make mistakes. Here, if you see, I have 12 files, one for each month, and I need them all in one spreadsheet. I'm going to show you how to do this in literally seconds. No formulas, no macros, no code. Let's get started. Now, first, let me show you how to get EasyMorph. So, EasyMorph is a free desktop application. I will go to easymorph.com, and here it opens the EasyMorph website. And I will click on download menu at the top and select download EasyMorph. And if I scroll down, you can see download button. Just click it and the installer will download. The installation is quick and straightforward. Just follow the prompts and you'll be up and running in a couple of minutes. I already have it installed on my computer, so let me switch over to our files. So here is my situation. I have a folder with 12 Excel files, one for each month of 2024, January, February, March, April, and all the way through December. So each file is a monthly sales report. So now let me open one so you can see what they look like. So here is the January file. You can see the columns like date, region, product, units sold, unit price, and total revenue. Here, all 12 files are structured identically. Means same columns, same format. Here, the only difference is the data inside, which covers different months. This is what's called uniform files. Same structure, different data. Here, my goal is to combine all these 12 files into one single master spreadsheet. So let me close this and show you how to combine them. So now let me open EasyMorph. I have a clean workspace here, nothing loaded yet. I will arrange my windows so you can see both the folder and EasyMorph at the same time. So the first method is incredibly simple. I'm going to select all 12 files and drag them into EasyMorph, and just like that, done. EasyMorph has combined all 12 files into one single table. Now let me scroll through to verify. Here is the January data at the top. As I scroll down, you can see February, March, April, and if I keep going all the way to the bottom, here is December. Every single row from every single file all combined into one table automatically. That took about 3 seconds. So now let me show you a second method that gives you a bit more control. I will clear this and start fresh. So here I'm going to add action called import Excel spreadsheet. So if you click on this drop down, you have an options called load single file, load multiple uniform files, and load list of files. So here my files are uniform files. So I'm going to select load multiple uniform files and click on select files, and here I will select my folder. and click OK. And here it is, like all my 12 files are here. Now I'll select all 12 of them and click OK and then apply. And that's it. And we get the same exact result. All 12 files combined into one table. So this method is particularly useful because you can configure which sheet to import from, and you can set up folder paths so it automatically picks up any new files you add to the folder later. So now let's save this combined data into one Excel file. I will add an action called export into Excel file. Now I will select the folder where I need to save this file. I've selected the folder monthly reports. Now I'm going to name it as combined underscore full underscore year and save and apply it, and right click on this export action and run action, and that's it, it's done. Now let me open the output file. So to make sure all 12 months of sales data in one clean spreadsheet. So here it is, January at the top, and if I scroll down, you can see till December. Every row from every file is right here. No manual copy and pasting, no formulas, no macros, just drag, drop, and export. And that's how you combine multiple Excel files into one using EasyMorph. And that's it. Thank you for watching.